Hi there, it's Mrs. Cobble. I am recording this video because I am not in the classroom for this morning. I have a meeting in the library for the Impact team. So I wanted to just record a quick video so that you would know what my expectations were of you today. The first thing we are doing today on Tuesday is writing down our essential vocabulary word. The word prodigy is a young person with exceptional qualities or abilities. And if the sub wants to pause this video for a second so the students can write this word in the back of their journal, that would be fantastic. This word shows up in Freak the Mighty in the chapter we just finished yesterday in chapter 21. And I bet you can figure out who the prodigy is referring to. The next thing that we are going to be doing today is a STEMS Unit 7 review. So there is a booklet. If you go into our course, you will find in modules that there is a booklet down at the bottom here. You need to search for STEMS Week 7 Kim Cobble. I made that one. I will have this open for tomorrow morning. There's also a Kahoot. Now, since I'm not there to run the booklet, you are just going to play this individually. You can do your own individual booklet or your own individual Kahoot. When I finish explaining what the expectations are, that can be one of the things that you get started on working. It would be STEMS STEMS 7 booklet. STEMS 7 booklet by Kim Cobble. One word, Kim Cobble. So that is one of the things that you need to do because we have our STEMS test tomorrow. The next thing that I wanted to kind of go over with you and just introduce to you were the questions that you're going to be answering on Thursday's Socratic seminar. Once you finish reading Freak the Mighty today, you will have plenty of understanding to help you answer this. And the questions are, the first group, our middle group, how do Max and Kevin's unique characteristics contribute to the theme of friendship throughout Freak the Mighty? Provide specific examples from the text that illustrate how their relationship evolves or changes and what it teaches them about each other. And then our outside group, group 2, you will be discussing in what ways does the theme of overcoming challenges show up through the experiences of Max and Kevin. Analyze key events in the story that highlight their struggles and triumphs and discuss how these events enhance the overall theme. So when you finish reading your chapters today, depending on which group you are in, you may want to go to this discussion guide that you have saved in Notability and take a few notes so that you can start getting your thoughts together for our Socratic seminar on Thursday. The last thing that I want to introduce to you that you need to make sure you finish in class today is reading the rest of Freak the Mighty, chapters 23 through 25. We read through chapter 22 yesterday, except for my third period. You guys are stopped on page 145, which is 6 minutes and 24 seconds into the audio recording of chapter 22. So you guys read almost through. My other class, second period, you guys got all the way through. So your goal today is to finish reading chapters 23 through 25. You will be finishing the story. And then when you finish, you can work on preparing for your Socratic seminar, working on your article of the week. Remember, all of us are doing the one about multitasking in the third quarter set. So your work time, after I finish up with this video, you are reviewing for STEMS Unit 7. Do that for about 5 minutes, maybe. Finish reading chapters 23 through 25 of Freak the Mighty using your audio. Don't forget, you've got the audio recordings in the module, and I will make sure that those are published for you, 23, 24, and 25, if you need the audio, or you can just read with your book. So, and then prepare for your Socratic seminar, work on your ARW. Use your time wisely. Your homework is to study for your test tomorrow, and I will see you then.